Hi, I'm Beth, an account executive here at Zinc. I'm going to walk you through how to use Zinc to perform background checks. First, I'll show you how to create your custom-made check packages. To do this, head over to the Zinc app, into the Packages tab and click Create New Package. Here you can name your check package and then use one of our recommended templates or create your own. You can have as many users as you wish on the Zinc portal, as there are no charges for additional users. So now I'll show you just how easy it is to launch a check. Head to the Recruit page on the Zinc portal and click Request Check. Simply just enter the candidate's name, email address and phone number, select the chosen package and click Request Checks. We will then pull the candidate's name, email address and phone number and kickstart the process for you. Now I'll show you the candidate journey. Zinc's candidate experience rating is 4.8 out of 5, and so now I'll show you why. The candidate will receive an email requesting the checks, including the name of the recruiter, the check packages required and the short customizable message. The email will have custom branding by adopting your company logo and colour scheme. The candidate clicks Complete Checks and confirms their date of birth and country of residence. Zinc offers checks in nearly 200 countries, which removes any complexity for yourselves. The candidate portal will also adopt your custom branding and colour scheme. The candidate can then complete the necessary checks by clicking into each of these boxes below. If they have any questions, they can use the live chat function in the bottom right-hand corner, which will send any questions directly through to our live customer success team. They will receive a response within 90 seconds. This portal is also mobile optimised, so your candidates can complete their checks on the go. UK right to work checks come back in a matter of minutes, references on average within 36 hours, and overall our average turnaround time for a complex check package to be completed is just 3 days. Once your candidate has completed all checks, you will receive email confirmation and the candidate's name will now be a link. This link will take you through to the final report, where you can see the candidate name, job title and location and which check package they have completed. The report highlights any gaps, any mismatched dates or information. It will show whether the right to work check has been completed. It also highlights which source we have used to complete the check, for example, DBS for a UK criminal record check. Any sensitive documentation, such as a copy of their passport and selfie, will also appear. You should download this report as a PDF to store into your employee file or HR system, as Zinc will remove any sensitive data after 30 days.